Hi, I'm Mihai from Visitor Analytics. Welcome to our first course about digital marketing for websites. This particular course focuses on SEO and web analytics. We will go through the basics of bringing more traffic from search engines like Google to your website. You will also learn how to track and interpret your website traffic and performance in order to be able to further improve your results. Allow me to start by saying a few things about who we are and why you should trust that we know what we're talking about. We are an all-in-one website analytics company trusted by more than 2 million website owners all over the world. Our client base increases by approximately 30,000 every month. Our website analytics app is used in 20 languages by people from 190 countries who want to check their website stats and understand user behavior. We effectively handle data based on billions of website visits every month. I think this makes us pretty qualified to talk about websites and website traffic. Most of our customers run small or medium companies or do freelance jobs. In the process, they have to handle their own websites. We provide them with data about their website visitors, but we found that many of them need guidance in order to improve their stats. This is why we created this course. In 2020, anyone, even website owners with little to no experience, can create and publish a site in just a few hours by using web builders. But this is not a course about building a website. Almost anybody can do that. This is about what happens next and how you build an audience for that website. There are over 1.7 billion websites online right now on the internet, and that number is growing fast. Standing out from that sort of competition is increasingly difficult. You may have something interesting to say or to offer, but it's likely that thousands of other websites from the same niche can claim the same thing as you. In order to move ahead of this competition, you need to know how to use website data, how to get more people to visit your website, and how to turn them into customers. Our course offers the answers to all of these questions, using a hands-on approach, showing you how to use the best tools to reach your digital marketing goals. We will cover two main modules. The first one is about increasing traffic, and it focuses on the basics of SEO for organic traffic. The second one is called Website and User Analytics. Since the time allocated for this course is limited, we will not go into the most in-depth details. Remember that this is a beginner's course, the first of several steps to online success. We will detail each section in future courses that will also offer certificates of completion. So if you find this course useful, please consider subscribing to follow-ups.